Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y91i smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot and long screenshot in your phone Vivo Y91i. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I want to take a screenshot from one of my website called facultyon.com. So I open Google Chrome and search with the term Facultyon. This is the page where I want to take a screenshot. By first method, use power button and volume down button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. See the demo now. Screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again do the same. Press power button and volume down button together and click on the long screenshot in the captured image. Click next for enlarging the image. Finally click on save. This is the long screenshot using buttons method. If you want to edit this image, you can use editing tool. There are various editing tools. This is doodle type of editing, that is to highlight something on the screenshot. And we'll see the next method. For that, swipe up in the bottom of our screen. Here it says swipe up and click on the S capture. Click on this icon. This is long screenshot icon. Only you can take long screenshot using this option. If you want to edit this image, you can do it. Click save finally. Again go to S capture. Swipe up here and click on S capture. Click on rectangular this time. So you can take a screenshot of rectangular type. That is, you can draw a rectangle along the screen and that area will be the screenshot. This is the screenshot using rectangular method. If you want to edit this image, you can use editing tool. Finally click on save. You can also change color here and click save. Again go to S capture and click on funny screenshots. Here you can click on shaped screenshots. Different shapes are available. You can use any one of these shapes or all of the shapes in the same single screenshot. This is the single shape screenshot. If you want to edit this image, you can use editing tool. Finally click on save. Again go to S capture. Swipe up here and click on S capture. Click on funny screenshot. Click on shaped screenshot. Here you can use other shapes. You can also use combination of shapes. So those shapes area will be the screenshot. If you want to edit this image, you can use editing tool. Click on save button finally. And there are more screenshot options in S capture. Again go to S capture through bottom of our screen and click on funny screenshots. Here click on lasso option. Click OK. So this is irregular shape screenshot. Just draw any irregular shape along the screen and that area will be the screenshot. Click on save and edit this image if you want. Finally click on save. Still there is one other method. Just go to S capture and click on funny screenshot and click on doodle. Click OK and draw anything on the screen like this. That area will be the screenshot. If you want to edit this image, you can use editing tool. Finally, click on save. So these are all the methods of taking screenshot in your phone Vivo Y91i. If you want to locate the screenshot, just go to the file manager and click on local files, click on device storage, click on DCIM, click on screenshots, and these are all the screenshots that I took using these methods. So in this way you can also locate the screenshots folder. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.